Hey everybody, I am painting over this. This is just not a very pretty one. And I am going to use gold, red, black, and a little bit of white. So these again are the Arteza pouring acrylics that I have become quite attached to. Spread this enough. It's really hard to do black over white because that white really wants to show through. I forgot I wanted to save these. I like squeezing the paint out of them. So I thought of saving them and refilling them with my own paints when these run out. Just like frosting a cake. I do sell these rounds on my Etsy page. I've got 14-inch and 12-inch. And they come unprimed, so you'll need to prime them, but they can be used for so many things. A lot of people make clocks out of them. Alright, I can see this stuff, but that should get filled in. So I've got brilliant red, and then gold, and vermilion red. Oops. White. And some more gold. I knew the red and gold would be pretty on the black. I wonder if I'm going to need to add more though. I don't know if there's enough. I don't think there is. So let's do it again. Ooh, got pink going on in there. Didn't really want that, but didn't think about that when I added the white, the red on top of the white. like the ribbons of the gold. But they may get eaten up here as I tilt. That part did not want to cover. Tilt this white off on this side. My air compressor just saying hi. Like it. I'm going to need to touch that. It a lot. My favorite is this black outline right there. I really like the gold ribbons. It is so unlike an Ian Osborne, but it makes me happy to look at it. I really like it. I'm excited about it. Yay! So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.